So Kim Kardashian has come up with a new business. I know, girl is a mogul, that's all I can say. But also I can say what's wrong with her new venture, which is Skims, men's line. And also, I'll talk about how you can leverage the growing undergarment trends to grow your wallet. My name's Diane, welcome to Sellvia channel. Alright, first and foremost, is male underwear a good niche to consider? The men's underwear market isn't just about basics anymore, it's evolved into a realm of fashion and comfort combined. Men want to feel good and free and desired by their loved ones, and that's pretty much what's good underwear doing. A growing demand for diverse styles and innovative designs proves that it's a niche waiting for keen-eyed entrepreneurs to capitalize on. $38 billion of a market size with a compound annual growth of 5.4%. Now, when someone as influential as Kim Kardashian steps into the game, you know it's more than just a fleeting trend. It's like a green light for entrepreneurs that says, go, act now. This is a profitable niche. Kardashians are marketing geniuses, and their ventures prove that and add hype to the niche in general. The Skims for Men launch isn't just about a celebrity expanding Kim's brand, it's a strategic move to secure a spot in a prospective market. Learn from the pros, Kardashians' marketing magic. When Kim Kardashian does marketing, everyone knows about it. By featuring NFL superstar Nick Bosa and soccer sensation Neymar in her Skims for Men campaign, she's not only promoting a product. She's merging worlds, seemingly an underwear brand for women with a masculine world of sports, and she does it quite successfully. Even if some men don't buy new Skims products, their girlfriends and wives will. Oh, and the holiday season is around the corner. I'm sure the brand launch time has also been picked with that in mind. We can't also omit the fact that Kim landed herself a collab with the NBA. I repeat, NBA. How come? Both Skims and NBA celebrate diversity, inclusivity, and body positivity. And let's be honest, it's an extremely profitable collaboration for both sides. So as usual, Kim has exceeded everyone's expectations. What's cool is that this collaboration opens up a door to male demographics' hearts by solidifying the image of Skims as being legit and cool since the reputable NBA agreed to collaborate. Associating your products with popular figures, trends, brands directly or indirectly through marketing strategies can skyrocket your brand's visibility. Now let's talk about picking the right niche. In the world of e-commerce, your success often boils down to one crucial decision: selecting the right niche. Much like mining for gold, it's not just about searching, but knowing exactly where to dig. Let's consider the men's underwear niche. Previously overlooked, it has transformed into a bustling marketplace brimming with opportunities. Why? Because it taps into an everyday essential while integrating evolving demands like style, comfort, and innovation. By aligning with such a trend, e-commerce entrepreneurs can access a vast and ever-growing customer base. Every day, thousands seek quality, stylish, and comfortable underwear. But how do you spot such a golden niches? It's about keeping a pulse on market trends, understanding consumer demands, and most importantly, taking notes from successful ventures. If industry giants and trendsetters like Kim Kardashian are moving in this direction, it's a loud and clear signal for where the market is heading. Luckily, there's always something brand new to introduce to your customers. The downside: what's wrong with Skims men's underwear? While Kardashian Skims has garnered attention for its inclusivity and broad appeal, some voices in the fashion and retail sphere argue that the line may not offer the exclusive factor that fashion enthusiasts may be seeking. So if you've got a keen eye for what makes a product stand out or an innovative idea that can add that special touch of exclusivity, the men's underwear niche might be just your runway to success. However, without an exclusive angle, Kardashian Skims line is thriving, and you can too. This could mean curating a line with bespoke designs, limited edition prints, or even incorporating customer input into the final product to create a personalized experience that big brands typically can't offer. Skims men's underwear is proof of the market's potential. Now it's your turn to carve out your slice with a unique proposition that could make even the most basic items buzzworthy. Now let's see some inspiring stories from regular people. Believe it or not, the men's underwear niche has witnessed numerous success stories revealing the immense potential within. Lena James, a former tech consultant, ventured into dropshipping with a keen interest in the men's underwear niche. She noticed a gap in the market for eco-friendly, comfortable, yet stylish options. By sourcing bamboo fabric underwear, she not only catered to the fashion-forward but also the eco-conscious consumers. Today, her brand is a seven-figure business, and she owes her success to the deep understanding of this chosen niche and timely market entry. Stephanie, on the other hand, realized that while most brands focus on style, there was an untapped segment seeking performance-based underwear, especially for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. The result, a booming business with an ever-growing loyal customer base. These entrepreneurs tapped into the same niche but approached it differently, each catering to a unique market segment. Their stories highlight the importance of understanding your target audience, identifying market gaps, and most importantly, executing a well-thought-out strategy. The path ahead. Your turn to shine. With such inspiring tales and a clear roadmap laid out by successors like Kim Kardashian's Skims, there's no better time to venture into e-commerce. So why not start your journey in a well-tested, profitable niche? Ready to rewrite your success story in e-commerce? Dive deep into dropshipping with Sellvia. With $0 to start, your dream business is just a click away. Starting with Sellvia is a breeze. Subscribe to Sellvia Pro. Click on the Get My Store for Free button and proceed with your Sellvia subscription inclusive of a free trial. Share your vision. Complete a brief survey to communicate your store preferences. This allows our experts to tailor the store to your unique vision. Witness magic. In mere minutes, our team crafts a premium turnkey store aligned with your specifications. Our team of assistants will be there for you across your entire journey, 24/7. You won't ever be alone with us. Sounds cool? Follow the link in the top right corner or video description. Get a fat wallet like Kim. The world of e-commerce is huge, but what sets apart the truly successful ventures from the rest is the ability to identify and leverage trending opportunities. From a vast product selection in trending niches to comprehensive support in terms of marketing, product sourcing, and shipping, Sellvia stands out as a partner that ensures you are not just riding a trend, but leading it. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Leave your comments down below, and I'll see you soon. Bye!